Kadsura coccinea. All the flowers on this plant are hermaphroditic. The earwig crawling out of there, those are the main pollinators. It smells like, I don't know, like meat, or like, I don't know, cheesy, funky, yeah, like maybe rancid meat kind of smell to the flowers. That one's falling away. Super neat looking flowers. I'd really like to see the fruit on these guys. This vine is absolutely loaded with flower buds and flowers. The smell is quite horrendous, I'd say. Waxy and cheesy and I don't know. Fruit are supposed to be tasty. They look super unique. A vine from China.